Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new blue character from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw a small curve across for the top of the head. Now from both sides, let's bring it up and back down. And then continue both of the sides downwards. Okay, now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and draw the face. Inside at the top, let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And then inside each of these, let's draw another circle on the bottom left. And then color both of these in black. Next, let's hop out and let's draw the pattern around the eyes. On top of each eye, let's draw a small angle going up like this. And then connect them at the top with a zigzag line. Now let's hop underneath each eye and let's do the same thing. Let's start with an angle down and out on both sides. And then a zigzag line across. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve underneath. And then a larger U-shaped curve under this one. Now let's add the pattern underneath the mouth. Underneath on the left, let's draw a V-shaped point underneath and one on the right side. And now let's connect them with a zigzag line across. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. On both sides, let's start with a curve down for the top of the arms. And then another line underneath. Now let's continue drawing the arms by adding a bump down and out underneath both of the sides. And then for the hands, let's draw a set of angles down. And then close off the end with a bumpy line. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move back in and let's draw 2 curves down for the torso. And then let's curve it down on both sides for the legs. Next, let's hop into the middle and let's draw an upside down curve. And then continue it down, making it a little bit longer than the outside lines. Now for the feet, let's draw a curve down from the outside. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for this drawing. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!